Hi guys, what's up? So I am back with another video. I thought I would get round to filming my what I got for Christmas haul. I have been putting it off like crazy just because I'm ill. I've been so ill since New Year's Eve. Like, no word of a lie, it's just been one thing after another. And I've gone from colds and flus to coughs to now my wisdom tooth is coming through and I keep biting my cheek and it's just like, ugh. So I thought I'd film it anyway, even though I sound like death warmed up, just because otherwise it's probably not going to be out till like February time and there's no point in doing it then. So I was actually really lucky this year. I don't think I've had such a good year presents wise since I was a child. Obviously that's not the main thing of Christmas, it's like spending time with your family and all of that jazz, but I was very lucky this year. So I'm going to start off with what I got from my mother. She kind of turned around to me and she's like, what do you want for Christmas? And I was like, honestly, with moving away, which update, I've moved from Spain back to Jersey, I was like, I need warm clothes. I don't have any jumpers or long sleeve tops or anything. I think I had like this long sleeve top and one other. So I was like, just some jumpers and some long sleeve tops would be nice. So she gave me some money and she sent me to the shopping centre, and I bought quite a bit actually, quite a few items. So I'll start off with my jacket. I got this cropped metallic silver jacket from Bershka. I'm not really one for metallic stuff or like more street style. I tend to stick to, not to big myself up, but like more elegant and classy and simple. But I really wanted to get a new jacket that was waterproof and slightly out of my comfort zone, and since I've had it, I've worn it non-stop. Like, I'm in love with it. It's one of my favourite jackets. I also got myself 4 rings. Now obviously this isn't what I was needing or wanting to get myself, but I saw it and saw the pack and decided that I needed it. So this was from Pimpki and it was a set of 5, but I lost one just because my fingers are so slim. Most rings are too big for me. Then I got some knit jumpers. So I got this from Bershka. All my jumpers tend to be cropped. 1, it's what I mainly find in the shops, and 2, it's what I prefer. I don't like the waist length. I prefer the hip length. I prefer the waist length just because it accentuates my body just a little bit better. And I also got this white one from Bershka, which I adore the patterning on. I think this is so nice. I then got some long sleeve tops. So this black one is from Pull&Bear. This grey one is also from Pull&Bear. And this white one is from Bershka, and they're just plain long sleeve tops. This one is ribbed, which I like the detailing of a lot. And this green one is also from Pull&Bear. This green one's slightly thinner, but it is ribbed. And I got this cardigan from Primark. This was like 12 reduced to a £5, and I was like, sorted. I really like the look of these off the shoulder, and I think it just makes a casual outfit look slightly dressed up whilst still looking casual. So that is what I got from my mother. Then moving on to items from my stable family. So I've got a horse and I've left him in Spain. And I asked a lady that's also got a horse there to make me some items out of his hair. So I got her to make me just this braided bracelet out of his mane. It's just got a little chain there so that I can clip it on different lengths. And I asked her to make me this key ring. It's just got a horse, a couple of turquoise beads just because I really like the colour turquoise, and then a strand of his hair, well, a few strands of his hair again. So I paid for those items. I asked her to make them and I paid for them. And then as a gift from the whole stable group, they got me this necklace. It's just this really long pendant necklace with a horseshoe and a turquoise bead. She knows that turquoise is my favourite colour, which is why I asked for the other two things in turquoise. And she did this in turquoise. So that was gifted to me from my stables. Partly as a leaving present, but also partly as a Christmas present, which I thought was lovely. They gave it to me. I literally went riding the day before I left Spain, and they gave it to me then. And then my aunt got me a Soap and Glory, like, you know, like the gift sets that you get from Boots, and that came in a tin, which I'm now using as a money jar. But it came with these really cool items. Soap and Glory is one of my favourites. I just love the scent. So it came with a body spray, a body wash, hand food, hand cream, and a puffy eye mask. I love these sorts of presents. I love the scents, and I love I don't know, I'm very into my keeping myself clean and soft and smelling nice, and I think most girls are. I'm not too sure. But presents like this I adore. I just think they're nice, and I like having like a little cupboard full of different scents and smells and creams and things like that. So I absolutely adored this present. And then moving on to my best friend. So my best friend spoils me rotten. I do not deserve her at all. Every year we do like a box swap with lots of different gifts in it. And this year I actually turned around to her and I was like, look, with me moving, 1, I'm tight on time, and 2, I'm tight on money. Like, realistically, I need to save every penny, so you will get your box, just not at Christmas. And she's like, yeah, it's fine, just wait until you've got a job, this, that, and the other. So even knowing that, she went all out on my box. And honestly, she's just a diamond. Like, I couldn't ask for a better best friend. She spoils me rotten. And I absolutely adore her. So, I'm gonna get into everything she got me. She got me this body shimmer. I actually wore this on New Year's Eve. It's really, really good. I quite liked this. It just covers your body in like a coating of glitter. I've used this one, which is why it's open, but it was a pomegranate face mask. This was really good. I liked this. She got me this Let's Get It On candle of honeysuckle and ivy. It's so good, so nice. I love my candles. She got me this mandala jewellery tray, so I keep my rings and necklaces in this, and it just sits on my bedside cabinet. Then she knows I'm a total beach babe. I like my surfing and I love the beach. She got me this decor. It says life's a beach, which I thought was pretty funny. Then she got me this top for the gym, like so. So it's just this pink, and then it's got this like folded / knot detailing at the bottom. I really like this kind of pink on my skin, just because I'm so pale, and I think it looks really good with the tan as well. And both this and the jumper is from Pursue Fitness. So again, this is just a workout jumper, like so. It's cropped, which is amazing. I've been wanting a cropped jumper for quite a while. I don't wear jumpers in like my day-to-day life, but for the gym I quite like the idea of it. But I always wear cropped items to the gym. I just find it comfier, and I'm more free to move with tight fitted cropped outfits. But moving back to Jersey, obviously it's colder over here, so I need to try and keep myself slightly warmer. So I just thought this was really, really cute of her. And she got this, I think, in blue. She's like, we can match. And I'm like, yay. Bearing in mind she doesn't live here. Then she got me some Converse. They are just like this mustardy, browny, neutral colour. I thought these were really, really cute. She got me these car vent sticks. So hopefully I will be driving around in the next month or so over here. So these are pink sands. I love this scent. It's such a good scent. She got me bills organizer, so you can just put in your receipts, what you need to pay, what you have paid, things like that, and keep track of your monies. And then she knows I'm cleaning crazy, and she knows I love Mrs. Hinch, so she got me both the books. She got me Mrs. Hinch, Hinch Yourself Happy, and the Mrs. Hinch Activity Journal. I've already started the activity journal. I've not started reading this one yet, but I have started the activity journal, and it's really good. I can't say better things about those books. And then obviously she knows that I'm into my beauty and makeup. I'm really out of breath. This cold's killing me. She got me some beauty items because she knows that I'm really into my makeup and that. So she got me, I think it's All Revolution. She got me the Rainbow Metallics Shadow Palette. She got me the Smoked Shimmer Shadow Palette, the Bronze and Contour Palette, the Blush and Highlight Palette, and then a translucent pressed powder. And she also got me, I tell you now, she spoils me way more than I deserve. Eye defining kit, eye primer, essential eyes brush set, and also illuminating primer. And yeah, so that's everything from my bestie. I love her so much. And then lastly, I got a couple more items from a friend of mine. I got this Paul Valentine choker necklace, which has a heart on it. I got the Pandora gold crown ring. I got 5 packs of Percy Pigs because they are my absolute fave. And I got this hand knitted blanket throw. Whoop. There we go. From that friend as well. So this year I was truly spoiled. I honestly don't deserve friends and family like I have, and I am so appreciative of them and the items they got me. So yes, that's everything I got for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and comment, and if you want to stay up to date with my uploads, then subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye guys.